Welcome to all. Now I'm tell about a business development executive BDE is responsible for driving a company's long-term growth by identifying new business opportunities, cultivating relationships with the potential clients and developing strategic partnerships to increase revenues. Key responsibilities include conducting market research to understand market trends and competitor activities, analyzing market gaps, developing sales strategies, negotiating deals and products teams to align. Business growth affects the role requirements strong communication, negotiation, analytical and organizational skills with a strategic focus on expanding market presence and profitability. Key responsibilities identify new opportunities, research and outreach to find potential client and explore untapped market segments. Build relationships, develop strong long term partnership with potential clients to understand their needs and introduce suitable solutions. Market analysis, analyze market trends, competitor landscapes and industry dynamics to identify gaps and opportunities. Develop strategy, create actionable business strategies and plans to expand the company's revenue streams and market presence. Collaborate internally. Work closely with the marketing, sales, and product teams to align growth strategy and ensure a cohesive approach. Negotiate deals, present products and service, negotiate contract conditions, and manage the sales cycle from lead generation to closing deals. Track performance, monitor key business merits, track progress against goals, and analyze performance to inform future strategies. Skill required communication and negotiation, excellent written and verbal communication skills for client interactions and deal making. Analytical thinking, strong ability to analyze market data, understand customer needs, and identify strategic opportunities. Strategic mindset, a focus on long term growth and expansion rather than just short term sales. Organizational skills, proficiency in managing workloads, multitasking, and staying organized in a fast paced environment. Relationship building, interpersonal skills to build and maintain strong relationships with the clients and stakeholders. Technical proficiency, familiarity with CRM systems, Google Sheets, and MS Excel. Thank you.